Do you want to make money from home? You don't need to be an expert to make money from home. There are many data entry jobs on the internet that require only basic skills and some knowledge of the English language. This video will show you how to find data entry jobs that will let you work from home while still making enough money online. So, watch the video all through. At the end of this video, I'll show you an amazing platform if you want to start earning right away. Check the description box for amazing making money hacks, and if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's start. Data entry jobs are a great way for people to make money from home, and the number of available data entry jobs has been increasing. Data entry is a task that can be done from anywhere in the world, so it is an option for people who are looking for work-at-home jobs. There are many different types of data entry jobs, and some of them are general and others are specialized. General data entry jobs include customer service calls, customer surveys, and online research. Specialized data entry jobs include medical transcription, legal transcription, and court reporting. You can make great money from home. On average, data entry clerks make around $17.48 per hour according to Indeed. Here are 7 of the best data entry jobs platforms to make money from home. 1. Micro Workers. Micro Workers is a great work-from-home data entry provider. This company lists everyday tasks. Many tasks take under 5 minutes and pay a specified amount. Despite the low salary, the tasks add up rapidly. Most tasks are straightforward data entry and need no particular skills. 2. Flex Jobs. Flex Jobs offers remote part-time and full-time jobs you can apply for online. You may work as an employee or freelancer for many firms. Business development, accounting, contact center, data entry, and other jobs may be found on Flex Jobs. 3. Lionbridge. This company offers work-from-home opportunities worldwide to complete tasks and get extra money every day. Lionbridge is great if you require flexible hours and a schedule. If you want a part-time job. 4. Dion Data Solutions. Dion Data Solution offers data entry services for medical claims, enrollment forms, health and human services, and more. Dion Data Solutions is the leading provider of data entry services and believes in offering its workers the best to help them achieve. 5. Scribe. Scribe hires transcribers to transcribe and edit audio. They want English-speaking, well-spoken candidates for this position. The average rate is $5 to $25 per audio hour. 6. Capital Typing. Capital Typing offers data entry and clerical services for different businesses worldwide. 7. Axion. Axion provides worldwide data entry services. You must register in their database to apply. Data entry skills and a 50-word per minute typing speed are required. In the end, if you are interested in online writing and data entry job that pays $25 to $50 per hour. No experience required. There is a link in the description that will take you to further information. They are currently expanding the number of remote workers for these positions significantly. If you can start right away, you can apply. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, and it will be great if you leave a comment saying, I like it. Don't forget to check the description box for amazing money-making hacks. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.